Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with SteamVR. First, ensure you have Roblox installed directly from its website, not the Xbox application. Your computer should meet the minimum requirements, such as an NVIDIA GTX 1060 graphics card and at least 8 GB of RAM. Next, download and install the SteamVR application to prepare your system for virtual reality. Once SteamVR is installed, launch the application on your computer. Then, connect your virtual reality headset to your PC and turn on your controllers. It is crucial to verify that all status icons within the SteamVR application, as well as the lights on your hardware, are green. This confirms that your VR system is properly connected and ready to operate. With your VR system active, open your web browser and select any Roblox experience to play. As the game starts to load, put on your virtual reality headset. Once inside the experience, navigate to the in-game settings menu. Locate the VR option and ensure it is toggled to the on position to fully immerse yourself in the virtual world. To enhance your Roblox VR experience, consider adjusting the in-game graphics quality settings to achieve smoother performance. A stable internet connection is also vital for seamless gameplay. If you encounter any issues, a common troubleshooting step is to restart the SteamVR application before launching Roblox. This often resolves minor connectivity or display problems, ensuring a more enjoyable session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.